going to IKEA.
What? Where do you want to go today?
I'm going to IKEA.
What?
I want to go IKEA.
Where?
I want to go to IKEA.
You want to go to IKEA today?
Yeah.
Why?
Good.
Because why?
Good.
What do you want to do there? What do you want to do at IKEA?
I want to buy stuff.
You want to buy stuff?
Yeah.
What kind of stuff?
I want to buy light.
Buy a light?
Yeah.
What else?
I want to buy carpet.
And a carpet?
Yeah. I want to buy bottle.
A bottle?
Yeah.
You don't drink bottles.
Why?
Because you're a big boy.
I drink big bottles. I say big bottles.
Do you have any money?
No.
How are you going to buy stuff?
When I get big.
When you get big? How are you going to buy stuff now?
Big.